This guy just slapped a cop and started running away.
Hey driver, stay in the car. Stay in the car. What's going on? Officer Board, police department. The reason I stopped you, man, is for your tinted windows. Your tinted windows. Got your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir. I got my registry because this is my girlfriend's car. I don't have no license, and I gotta go to court this month coming up. I just got food.
Whose car is it?
This is my girlfriend's car.
Okay.
This the,
Wait, you got ID? No, you got ID?
On a Volt 8328, 4-door down in Mongolia with the validity count.
26. You have an ID card?
No, I have like my
What did you say?
bank card or my
All right.
card like that. I can just verify my name. Marcus Reese is my thing and match. That's it.
Okay.
That's all I can do.
All right. You don't have a driver's license either?
No, they suspended.
Okay.
Yeah, they suspended.
I got a picture of my ID on my phone. I can show it to you.
Yeah, here. Just do me a favor. Step out the car for me. All right. Step out. Right now. Turn around.
Why you detaining
Turn around. Because you got no license. Alright, he's cutting behind 625. Alright, he's in the alleyway between 54 and 55. I can get a unit. He threw a bunch of stuff. I can't ID him. He's our other car. This shit's getting towed anyway. Yeah, grab this 14. It's gonna get him, don't worry. Someone can get with the vehicle, 5501.
Male is last seen running westbound on 54 to cut behind 625.
Black male, no shirt, black shorts. Last seen in the alleyway as 54th, 55, behind 625.
If we got an extra unit, I get one half block, 625, 54th.
Yeah. So,
Marcus, where do I know you from, Marcus? We've had an interaction before, haven't we?
I'm not sure, man. I don't know. This is crazy. I don't know, man.
This is yours?
It's
Yeah, it fell off the hood just now, right? Okay.
Yeah, I know my nephew ain't no troublemaker. When I came out the store, I seen him in the car.
Why don't you just have a seat for me?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm saying, so that's why I'm concerned with him.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
But I seen that you running, I'm like, why are you with these type of people?
Yeah.
And he said the guy called him and picked him up from his house.
Okay.
So you didn't even know he was in no trouble like that.
No, I'm first shot. I'm Ashley. Look, you can tell him Ashley.
So he just picked you up.
Just pick him up.
That's why I'm telling you. You see how your auntie is by herself? That's why I'm telling you, be by yourself. Because you never know who you be around.
You never know, man. You never know.
And he actually trying to fight the police. I was like, what the
Luckily, backup arrived in time to peekaboo the heck out of the suspect.
Copy. I just saw him through the windshield. He just ducked down.
Next unit, go over to 56th Street in case he breaks north. Going over there.
All right. I got eyes on him. He keeps poking his head up and down. He's in the bed of the pickup truck, backed into the property.
I just got here, you know, I didn't see what happened, so we're gonna figure it all out though. It's all right.
He got one handcuff on him, but he couldn't click it. And that's how he ran. Yeah, he was so terrified. He was just like, he didn't know that he could get out of the car.
There you go.
So I'm fine. That's why I never left.
There you go.
That's what I told him. I said, you ain't got to be in your ring to run.
Been left me here by myself.
Marcus, you got any warrants? You got any warrants?
No. Okay. That last one I had was for traffic missing court.
You took care of it? Failure to appear?
It was during COVID time.
You went in?
Yes, I went in on it.
Okay.
I don't want him to hit that fence, bro. If you guys want to go hit that fence. Yeah, I see him, dude.
Tell those people to go inside.
Kim will get it. He doesn't speak Spanish anyways. Is K9 coming?
Sorry, she's in that bed of that truck. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Hands up.
Hey, block the car from coming up here.
Keep them right there, man. Keep them right there.
I was fearing for my life, bro. That's why I ran.
Getting ready for
I'm out. You got a gun on me.
Stand the up.
You're gonna get dog bit in about 2 seconds.
I don't have no weapons on me. I was fearing for my life, bro.
Jump right down here. Now be very careful. Be very careful.
I don't have no weapons on me. I was in fear for my life. That's why I
Hit
ran.
the ground. As soon as you jump down, you better hit the ground.
Face down.
Come on, hurry up,
Face
bro.
down.
Get on the ground.
Yep, face down.
Please, sir. That kid, I was fear for my life. That's why I ran. I didn't know what was going on.
Alright. Roll over.
Roll over.
Yep. Roll over. Sit on your ass.
Yeah, that's the RO. Before he wants to do a show up. Copy.
You're good. Let me lock these.
Give me 1 sec.
I'm about to pass out. Drink some water. I was in fear for my life, bro. I don't know what was going on.
Lean forward. Move your hands.
Yes, sir. Shit crazy. I had me kidding left and right.
I know. That's why I'm trying to loosen it, but you won't lose your hands.
Fuck.
Okay.
Officer Morgan 61. Broadway to the unit. What? 621
This one tight to inside.
All things considered, you already ran once. I got it. You don't have gloves on. Let's go.
We need to,
Widen your stance. Widen your stance.
you check the socks.
Yeah.
Can I ask someone for some water, please, to pour it on me?
Sit.
What do you ask for?
Some water.
That's
I'm about to pass out.
Oh, well, I should have ran there.
It was time to take him to the prison again.
Just fold it.
Is that your bone?
Huh? I don't know.
Start the medics for your leg. Lean back. Push. Slide yourself back. He's bleeding from several spots.
Orifice.
Let me get someone. Let me find someone to get him transported. Oh yeah.
That's a fallacy, man.
You got it, man. Anything else? No. Okay, good.
Problem my lawyer.
Hey, you know what? You're going to jail today, though. How about that for you?
What's your name, bud?
My name is
Right here. Stay right here. I'm going. Turn around again. What's your last name?
Do me a favor, man. When you sit in, here, sit. Explain it to you. I'll turn the air on, all right?